Welcome back, KK family, to another awesome video. Today, I want to make for you Jamaican style cow foot with broad bean. Yes, fall off the bone cow foot with broad bean. Here we go. I have about 3 pounds of cow foot here, already washed and ready for seasoning. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I'll be using: some thyme leaf, ginger powder, black pepper, jerk seasoning, my blend jerk seasoning, some meat sauce, browning. I'm going to use some Goya, and I have some blended herbs here, and I'm going to put a little bit of sugar in because the sugar helps to blend in all the seasoning. Okay, so after seasoning, you're going to set aside for an hour at least. This is my Sunday dinner, so I'll do it overnight. Okay, so I season Saturday and I prepare Sunday. Okay. Welcome to everyone that is on the channel for the very first time. If this content is what you want, I kindly ask you to like, share, leave a comment, and also subscribe. When you subscribe, you turn on your notification bell. That's whenever I drop a video, you will be the first to get that video. Yes, so it's time to get the ball rolling. So here I have in my frying pot, I'm putting in a little bit of just a little tubs of oil, and I'm going to brown my cow foot. Okay, and I should have tell you that the browning, you don't have to put browning on your cow foot if you don't want to, but I don't like to see the white cow foot, so I want my cow foot to be brown and pretty, so hence I use the browning. Okay, so the browning is an option because people do it without the browning. So here I go in with all my cow foot, and I'm just going to cover the pot and leave it to brown. So from time to time I will go in and I will just turn them over, to catch a little brown. And after it catch the brown to my satisfaction, what I'll do, I will pour some water in, to get up all that from the bottom of the pot. Yes, all the spice, everything just into the meat. And for time saving, as I told you before, always, and for saving my gas, I am going to go ahead and I'm going to put this in the pressure cooker, and I am going to pressure. I pressure for 30 minutes. After checking it for 30 minutes, I realized that it could take more pressure, and then I go in again for another 30 minutes. So it takes 1 hour. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to transfer it from the pressure, and I'm going to put it back on the stove and season it with some natural seasoning. Okay, so you can go ahead and continue watching to see exactly how I put this awesomeness. And if you see here, guys, it's falling off the bone. My cow foot is falling off the bone. Yes, man, that's how I like it. And I'm not going to throw away the bone, because some of the bones are going to get soft, and then I enjoy eating it. Okay, so here I am now. It's on the stove top. I put in some natural seasoning like tomato, onions, bell peppers. I only have green bell peppers, and I am going in with my broad bean. So this is where you're going to put your broad bean, and I'm going to put a little ketchup in there. Yes, guys, because you know this cow food have to be awesome, delicious. Okay, and it's Sunday dinner. I am cooking my Sunday dinner, so you know all the goodness have to go in there. I'm going in with some Scotch bonnet pepper. Yes, guys, if you eat, if you can tolerate the heat from the pepper, I go in with 1 whole pepper, but without the seed. Okay, 1 whole Scotch bonnet pepper without the seed. So I'm getting a little heat, and I'm getting flavor from my cow food. So guys, this is it. This is my cow food. Look at this gorgeousness, delicious, bright, vibrant brown cow food. And here I am serving my Sunday dinner cow food with bean, and I'm serving it over some rice and peas, guys. And I'm gonna put a little vegetable on the side. Dinner is served. Let me know in the comment section if you have ever had this before, cow foot and bean, and tell me what you have it with. Yes, guys, and here I serve up a little bowl for presentation. Thank you so much for being on our channel. I'll see you in another video. Walk good. God bless you.